Hey there, home cooks! I'm glad you're interested in cooking a delicious chicken kebab. While I can't create videos, I can certainly provide you with a detailed recipe and step-by-step instructions that you can follow to make a flavorful chicken kebab at home. Here's how you can do it. Chicken kebab recipe. Ingredients. For the marinade. 500 g boneless chicken thighs or breasts, cut into bite-sized chunks. 2 tablespoons plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 3 cloves garlic, minced 1 tablespoon ginger, grated 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper, adjust for heat preference, salt and pepper, to taste juice of 1 lemon, fresh herbs like cilantro or parsley, chopped, optional for cooking, skewers, wooden or metal, optional vegetables for skewering, bell peppers, onions, cherry tomatoes, zucchini. Instructions. Step 1. Prepare the marinade. First, mix the marinade. In a mixing bowl, combine yogurt, olive oil, minced garlic, grated ginger, ground cumin, ground coriander, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, salt, pepper, and lemon juice. Next, add the chicken pieces to the bowl, ensuring they're well coated with the marinade. If you're using fresh herbs, you can add them now as well. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap or transfer to a resealable bag and let it marinate in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour, or preferably overnight for deeper flavor. Step 2. Prepare the skewers. If you're using wooden skewers, soak them in water for at least 30 minutes to prevent burning while grilling. Once marinated, take the chicken out of the fridge. Thread the chicken pieces onto the skewers, alternating with your choice of vegetables like bell peppers and onions. Step 3. Cooking the kebabs. Preheat your grill or oven. Set it to around 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the skewers on the grill. Cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, turning occasionally until the chicken is golden brown and cooked through. Internal temperature should reach 75 degrees Celsius or 165 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're using an oven, place the skewers on a baking tray lined with foil. Grill in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes or until done, turning halfway through. Step 4. Serving. Once cooked, allow the kebabs to rest for a few minutes to retain their juiciness. Serve the kebabs hot with sides like pita bread, a fresh salad, and dipping sauces such as tzatziki or garlic sauce. You can also garnish with fresh herbs, sliced onions, or a squeeze of fresh lemon for extra flavor. Tips for flavor. Add extra spice for more heat. Consider chili flakes or a dash of hot sauce to the marinade. Serve with rice or a grain salad for a complete meal. And don't hesitate to experiment with additional spices or herbs based on your preference. Enjoy your flavorful chicken kebabs. Cooking together can be a great experience, so invite friends or family to join you in the kitchen.